the tongue connects to the epiglottis. And look at this. You can see with these really great charts I have in this model. Can you see it in the camera? Your tongue is so huge. It takes up so much of your mouth. And then here is the epiglottis. Do you see how close, like the tongue and the epiglottis are like right by each other? And then here's the larynx right under the epiglottis. So you can just see how tension in your tongue can have a very easy chain reaction for your vocal folds. And here's another like image. Tongue. Oh, it's gross. Epiglottis. And then right underneath the epiglottis are the vocal folds. So it's like bing, bang, boom. Easy for one having an issue to make something else have an issue. So we have to use these non-woven sterile gauze pads, just one, because they kind of fold over into two pieces, because got to get some traction on the tongue. It's slippery. So these tongue stretches, depending if you have tongue tension, which a lot of people do.
And I don't even know. I mean,
yeah, it's hard to say.
I haven't noticed it, but what do you feel?
If you feel an effect from these, you probably do need to be doing them. So we'll start with the top one, which is the tongue straight out. So I'm going to grab my tongue.
What?
That's what I do to stretch my tongue. I don't feel like it should be that surprising. What? I'm going to grab the tip of my tongue and pull straight out like this. Hold. Like with any stretches, if I feel a release, I'm going to keep pulling a little more firmly so I increase the stretch. Yeah, for that first one, we just pull straight out. Next, we're going to pull to the right, and then we'll pull to the left. And then in the middle of the tongue, the bottom of the tongue, we have a frenulum, the little deal in the middle. We're going to try and put our fingers on either side and lift straight up. Stretch the base of the tongue again. And that's it. So pretty simple routine for the tongue. There's only so many different ways of stretching the tongue. But I really noticed a difference from those. So you'll have to let me know if you notice a difference. Yeah. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay.